Hello viewers, today I'm going to be doing a video about my Eaton's Majestic Super 8 camera. Got a zoom lens, controlled by that, focus ring. This is the, that's the battery meter. It does act, oh wait, it does work, but the battery pack isn't on it. It's got a remote. It's got a plug for a remote as well, in there. And it's got a light meter which runs on the battery in there. And putting the film in is really easy as well. Literally slides in the back. It's a 3-speed camera that runs at. Oh, flip. Runs at 12 frames a second, 18 frames a second, and 24 frames a second. And this is the battery pack in the handle. Takes 4 AA's. That's the inside. That slots in there, and it screws on. This does actually work. Now you can see the battery meter working. So yeah, this is it at 12 frames a second. 18 frames a second, which is normal. And then 24 frames a second. And it sounds like the battery may be running a bit low on it. I'd probably put rechargeable ones in. Then there's a light meter as well. This shows if too much light's coming in. So auto. I'm indoors, so I'll see if we can get the camera on the actual that is what it looks like. Inside there is the light meter. That moves according to how much light is going in. And you can actually still get the film for this from Kodak. You can also get 16mm film. And a very good tip for any silly camera is take the batteries out when you're not using it, because when the contacts are badly damaged, that can just stop the whole camera from working. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you.